Okay, you've never been adjusted.
No.
Okay, first timer. Exhibit. It's an honor.
Likewise, man.
It's a C5, C6 area. There it is. Damn. Did you feel it?
Yeah. Yeah, I felt that shit in the palm of my hands.
Damn.
Whoa.
Yeah. Sink your shoulders all the way down. Good. Good. There it is. Helps so many people when you get that little pocket right here.
Yeah.
You still doing music or anything?
Yeah, absolutely.
You are? Cool.
New record on the way, actually.
New record on the way? Okay. What's it called?
Kingmaker.
Kingmaker?
Yeah.
Nice, man. Congrats.
Thank you.
Relax for me, okay? I want to see if I can get any motion in this low back here. There you go. Keep it rolling. There she goes. Goodness. You should be a little taller after this one for sure.
Right.
Stretch all the way. Keep it going. There it goes. Yeah. Wow. 9-9.
Wow.